The exercise is going from documentation to monitorization is actually fairly simple. It's about having positive impact. Success in the future will no longer be about selling a lot of stuff. It won't be about having a lot of clicks if you write an article. It won't be about many people doing something a lot of the time. It will be about having the positive impact. If you write an article and you put it on Google, it doesn't matter if you have a lot of clicks. What really matters is your ability to engage people in meaningful conversations around what it is that you do. And it's also bridging the gap from the digital to the analog, that you are actually doing something that has a real life positive, monitorizable impact on other people's lives. So you need to ask yourself this question: what is the meaningfulness of what I do? Do I create value? And what value is it that I create? Do I make other people's lives better? And if you don't know how to answer these questions, maybe you could ask around, what value am I creating? All the work that I'm doing, am I actually just sitting on a spinning cycle in a fitness center, being really busy in what I'm doing, but heading nowhere? And when people ask me this question, do I get really annoyed? Well, then you have a problem. And of course, wouldn't you rather be working for a company and spending your life having positive impact on the lives of other people? Or would you rather spend your time pushing papers around or being very bureaucratic or not knowing this answer to this question? So that's actually fairly simple. And of course, it's going to take a lot of time. For many people, it could be, over in 2 minutes. And maybe one of us should spend a year thinking about and pondering about this. What is the meaningfulness or the value creation in our company? Where do we have this positive impact on the lives of other people? For an organization, how do we impact another organization? For an employee, how do I impact another employee? And for citizens, how do we interact so that we have a positive impact on other people's lives? And the good thing about it is that all this will be monitorizable in the future, so that we can take it together and we can spend our time actually doing something that has a real value in other people's lives.